welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bulela Matensela, your new favorite YouTuber, period. I hope you like it here, and I hope you subscribe and become a part of this beautiful family. And if you're returning, baby, I love you so much. Thank you for tuning in once again. Welcome to a new vlog, you guys. Welcome. Today is Saturday and it's the 11th of April. I'm at Ballito Junction with my flatmate Usli. At Ballito Junction. I want to go to Game and Mr. Price. Microwave yasendlini ifile, so I need to replace it. That's what I'm going to do, a Game, and then I want to go to Mr. Price because I bought sandals last month and actually didn't like them when I got home, so I'm gonna go to Mr. Price to exchange them. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do here at Ballito. But if we're gonna go but that's what we had actually planned for Ballito Junction namhlanje. Hope you guys are going to love this new vlog. Hope you're going to enjoy it. If it's your first time here and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please join the family. And if you're watching and you keep on coming back for more vlogs but you're not subscribed, or maybe you're not even aware that you're not subscribed, please check and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you later. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already.
Hey guys, I am back home. It's actually later on in the day. I think the time is 7:30 now. I got home like I think 2 hours ago, and I was just on the phone with my sisters. So yeah guys, I got my microwave. I'm so excited. I am so excited. So I'm going to unbox this new baby with you guys. Wow, I am so excited. Konje siliya sound ya laqhongo ngiwekuseni angazi nani ngahamba ngayothenga ifridge. What ini uthenge ifridge? Yep, exactly, that's me. Ini uthenge microwave. Clackets. Yes, I got myself a new microwave. But one thing I actually didn't check before going to Game was the size. I'm not sure about the size that I had before. I don't know what size this microwave is, but the new one is 28 liters, so hopefully it fits there. I'm just not sure. I don't know if they're the same size or what. I don't know, but we will see shortly. So before I unbox this microwave, I'm going to clean up the the area first la engizoyibeka khona izongena endaweni. Alrighty, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I did go to Mr. Price. I didn't find any nice sandals, so instead I exchanged the ones that I had bought last month and got this nice knit dress. I don't know why, guys, I'm so into knit dresses these days. Even this one that I'm wearing today, it's a bit big though. Got it from Fushini, this one. So I got this one from Mr. Price. Just a nice and like chilled dress. Thinking nothing serious. I can wear this dress. It's also long. It's long. So yeah, that's what I got from Mr. Price. So without wasting any more time, you guys, because it's late, I have church tomorrow. I want to sleep early when I have enough sleep, because I'll be attending the first service tomorrow. So I'm just gonna do this, then make something to eat. I haven't eaten the whole day. Now I'm thirsty. I haven't eaten the whole day, so I'm going to warm izolo. I'm going to warm up the food and then shower, then call it a night. I want to have like enough rest so that I can wake up feeling fresh. So yeah, let's clean the corner. So corner microwave and so excited, you guys. I'm so happy.
Heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said, you must be the love of my life. Hold on now. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. Don't let go. Don't let go of me. Don't let go. Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
Morning, guys. Morning. Today is a new day. It's a Sunday morning and I am getting ready for church. I thought I was going to attend the first session, but there's been some change of plans, so since I'm going to a second session, but I'm still gonna leave my place early because there's something we need to take care of when we get to Durban. So yeah, guys, the way I'm so anxious, the way I am so stressed, guys, I'm having like anxiety every time I have to drive. Saying not necessarily saying how to drive, but I'm not confident enough, you know. So every time I have to go somewhere, I just panic. Even right now, I am panicking like crazy. Yes, but guys, yo, I am scaring. Getting ashwagandha, guys, to calm my nerves. Cause what is this, darling? So yeah, guys, I thought I should just come say hi and update you, because I had mentioned Izolo since I attended the first session at church, but I'm no longer doing that. So, but sisaya enkonzweni ukuthi nje angikho kwi-first session, but enkonzweni khona ila engiya khona, ila uzongithola khona. So yeah, guys, I will see you later on. I don't think I'm going to talk much or much because I'm trying to be on time. So when the skincare routine time, maybe make a cup of coffee, then head out. I'll see you when I will talk to you when I come back from church, you guys. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. I will see you guys later.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us.
Hey guys, it's later on in the day. The time is 6:30 now. I came back home from church and took a nap. I just woke up now. Yeah, guys, got back home and I was just like so demotivated and feeling down. So I took a nap, but I'm feeling much better now, even though I'm still feeling like tired, but I am feeling much better emotionally. I feel like I'm going through a humbling phase in my life right now. I'm being reminded that things don't just happen for me. I always have to put in the work and to be consistent for things to, like, for me to get the results that I want. Like, generally that's what usually happens in my life. I've never had anything offered to me like on a silver platter. Every time I need something, I have to put in the work. Like, I have to work, I have to be consistent for me to get those results, the results that I want, basically. I'm currently on my weight loss journey. I know I've been on a weight loss journey for the past 2 years, I think. Like, every time I'd say I'm on a weight loss journey and then next thing, sekuphelile. But this time around I am so serious, you guys. I've been on my journey for 5 weeks now and I'm starting to see results that is just so motivating, and that makes me so happy that at least I can see that I am putting in the work. Yeah, I'm being consistent and the results are starting to show. So I am so excited, even though it is like a humbling experience in a way, because there are days where I'm constantly fighting with my mind and the cravings. Like for instance, today I had such a bad day today, and all I wanted to have was ice cream, but I couldn't have ice cream because I'm on this weight loss journey, you know. So as much as I am seeing the results and I'm excited, but it is humbling in a way. So actually, it's not that deep. It's not because I had like a bad day. No, it's not that. I've also gone back to driving now that I have my car back, which has also been have been like a humbling experience for me. I haven't driven in over 3 years, and now I have to relearn to be on the road again with other drivers. If Beguyangame, guys, I'll just have my own road where I would just drive alone and not worry about anyone else. But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. So I am relearning to drive again and being on the road with other drivers. I even have a learner driver sign on my car, because I feel like that tells the driver behind me that I'm a learner. They mustn't expect much from me because I'm just learning, you know. And I feel like last week I was making a lot of mistakes on the road, and it was like demotivating kancane. And I don't remember, I think if it was Wednesday or Tuesday, I felt like parking the car and just leave it there in Kaling Hambi. But slowly I'm getting hang of things. Ngiyajwayela, guys, and I'm happy ukuthi ngiyajwayela again. Today, guys, I got lost. So I was supposed to use the M4 route driving from church back home, and I took the Devon North Road by mistake. You guys, the way I was panicking on the road because I was just driving not knowing where I'm going, and the steep hills at Devon North are just so crazy. They are so crazy, but luckily the car didn't stall and I kushanga. It's just that I was just so frustrated about driving and not knowing where I'm going. So that just one inconvenience just ruined my whole day. I felt like I was a bad driver. I felt like angazi lutho, even though ayikho into engiyenzile embo omgaqweni, kukuthi just driving and not knowing where I'm going, that just demotivated me. So that's why I came back home and just took a nap because I was not feeling well. Bengingekho nje right emoyeni wami, guys, bengekho right. But I'm trusting God ukuthi at least by the end of this month there has to be some progress. I'm trusting the Lord ukuthi there'll be progress and things will be comfortable, because I can drive, guys. I can drive. It's just me getting used to it again, you know. Just need to get used to it. But again, yeah, that's what happened today. So that's what actually made me feel down. But now I'm going to make something to eat. I passed by Spur on my way back. I'm a veg up. I think they have like butternut spinach and sweet potato. I'm not sure though, but I think they have those three. So I'm going to make that. I'm going to eat that with chicken wings. I'm going to make some chicken wings. Also have like couscous in the fridge. I think I'm gonna warm that up with my new microwave Asana Clarkets. So that's gonna be my supper for tonight, and then we're gonna close off this vlog. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog, even though I'm feeling so down now. But hopefully by the time ngivala ngizobe sengi-right, guys. Ngizobe sengi-right, I'm hoping. So yeah, guys, I'll see you mase sengenza ukudla.
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. We were making our way through the town, yeah, never really wanted the night to end. And I was wishing you'd stick around. Still I was thinking we were just friends. Had we met before, instant chemistry, was so glad you came. Had we met before, laughing instantly, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. It felt like coming home. Had we met before? Instant chemistry. It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. Yeah, it felt like coming home. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night.
Golden light pours through the blinds, wash away the worries like a winding tide. Yesterday left far behind, your sweet scent fills my lungs open wide. In this soft light, troubles fade away. With you, no need for words to say your love, a gentle breeze that carries me through. I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I'd reach so high. Across the ocean, I'd soar with pride. For you, I give up my dreams, my hopes, my view. For you, what more could I ever do? I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, in the silent dawn, you stir from sleep. Sunlight paints your face in golden sheen. The hush of dawn, a peaceful scene. A love that grows like a tender
and join me, and then we're gonna go into Tasha's. I just want to have like a late lunch, early dinner. I literally haven't eaten anything the whole day. And I just want him to come and keep me company. I should have actually taken my laptop.
I just finished having my supper. Enjoyed it. It was so nice. It was too good, you guys. I decided not to add the couscous because I felt like we couldn't. So yeah, I didn't add the couscous because of that. So now I'm watching Zizi's vlog. She posted a vlog this morning. I couldn't watch it obviously because I was at church. So I am catching up now. And you guys, I'm like, oh my god, I miss the stage. But no, Nana, no, Nana. I can't fall pregnant. I don't want to fall pregnant anytime soon. I feel like pregnancies traumatized me, traumatized my body. My body still needs to heal. I've shared this story before on my channel. So yeah, and then so yeah, I'm just going to continue with this vlog, and then after this vlog I'm going to shower and then call it tonight. So we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, even though I feel like it was short, but I don't know, I'll see when I'm editing. If it was your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have maybe a friend or a family member you feel like they might like this channel, please do share my channel with them so that we can grow, so that this channel can grow. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the new vlog. Bye.